Good morning, good afternoon, students from Cumbres de Villa Floresta. I'm really excited to be here with you again. We're going to talk about our training today. I'm going to try to explain as best as I can what we're going to do. And after the explanation, I'm going to show you a board in which you can actually read everything that we're going to do. And then we're going to do a couple of drills so you can understand how you're supposed to move, okay? So I hope you're ready. I hope you're full of energy. We're going to go to the board over here so that I can explain to you the activity. This is a high-intensity interval pyramid, okay? The reason why it's called pyramid is because that's how you're gonna work, starting with more repetitions until you reach one repetition of the exercises that we have here, okay? Now, it's gonna be divided in three, just like your body: lower body, midsection, and upper body. When we do lower body, it's gonna be always red color. When we do the midsection, it's gonna be blue color, which is your abdomen. And then when we do the green color, it's gonna be the upper section, which is all the muscles that you have from your waist up. So we start with the lower body. The lower body is going to be legs cardio, HIIT workout, okay? This is going to be done with that bench that we have over there. Can you please point to the bench really fast? That bench that we have over there is what we're going to use, but you can use anything that you have at home. If you have a step, if you have, I don't know, you can even use some big books or whatever you want so that you can separate your body from the floor when you do that exercise. I'll explain to you later and then I'm going to do it so you can see, okay? And once we finish with our legs, that's going to be 10 repetitions, 1, 2, okay? The first 5 repetitions are going to be starting with your left leg, and the other 5 are going to be starting with your right leg, okay? Because it's the leg that's taking your body to the top. When we move to the mix section, it's going to be abs. This time, the first exercise is going to be done over here. Can you please focus down here? We're going to be using this soccer ball over here, or you have this crazy gadget that they saw in the 80s, you can use this too. Okay? Now the idea, if you don't have either one, you can even use one of the toys from your sister or brother. The idea is to slide your body forward and back when you're doing your abs in a controlled movement, okay? We come back to the board and we're gonna go now to the third part of the exercise, which is the upper body, okay? On the upper body, we're gonna do push-ups plus abs, inward elbows. What does that mean? Okay, it's gonna be a push-up, but instead of bending your elbows to the outside, you're gonna do them inwards, okay? And it says there that it's combined with abs because you're gonna open and close and then touch knee to chest, and that's one, okay? That's what it means with this upper body push-up plus abs, inward elbows, okay? When you do inward elbows, your body works totally different. You're working the muscles on the front more than the outside, okay? Once you're done with this, you finish and you're gonna do a little bit of jogging as a triangle. Like I said before, I'm gonna do it so you can understand what it means, okay? You're gonna do jogging 4 laps, 1, 2 to one side, and then 1, 2 to the other side until you catch your breath, and then you're ready to do the repetition number 9. Okay? On this second part of the triangle or pyramid, we're gonna do a different exercise for your cardio and legs, which is called, this time is called sweaty cardio, okay? In this case, we're gonna use both legs over here. Can you please follow me? Both legs here on the bench. And the first exercise is gonna be 1, 2, and then we switch to 1, 2, like I said, 5 and 5. When we do the section number 2, we're gonna do both legs up and down. Okay, that's what it means with the sweaty cardio. It's called sweaty cardio because it really makes you sweat, okay? The second exercise is gonna be for your abs, but it's called toning HIIT. And what you're gonna do is, over here, we're not gonna use the ball anymore. You're gonna stretch your body and you're gonna take your leg up, don't touch the floor, to the chest and switch. Up, chest, and then you do the other one, okay? That's what it means. We're gonna do 10 repetitions of that. And then the third is gonna be a wall push-up shoulder touch. So you're gonna use any wall at home. Everybody has a wall at home, right? So this time, we're gonna use the wall, our body straight. You touch 1, 2, and then the push-up. 1, 2, and then the push-up, okay? When you finish that second section, you're almost done with the pyramid. You're not even halfway, but like I said before, don't panic. You're gonna catch your breath by jogging, okay? I hope you understand the explanation. Are you ready to go? I hope that you're ready to go, okay? So now I'm gonna go and take care of the music while you continue watching the pyramid that I have there drawn for you. We're gonna play some music so you can feel pumped up. And Here it goes. Ready, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3. We go to the bench and it's go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go to the abs. We're gonna use this ball over here. We take it forward. 1. We take it forward. 2. Take it forward. 3. Forward. 4. Forward. 5. Forward. 6. Forward. 7. Forward. 8. Forward. 9. Forward. 10. And now we go to the upper body, which is, let's go to the board. What's the upper body? Push-ups plus abs, inward elbows. Inward elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And good job. That's a triangle. Side 1. Up. Backwards. Side 1. That's it. Backwards. 3. 4. We go to the bench again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Abs. Abs turning hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Push up. Well, push up, shoulder touch. Touch, touch, push up. Touch, touch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jogging. Time. That's 2. And so on and so forth until you complete your pyramid. I know you can do it, boys and girls. Any comment or question, please write to me on Google Class. Thank you.